Welcome to this week's episode of Merricks Garage. Just a short teaser video for you guys today, showing you what you can look forward to in next week's video. Still finishing up next week's video, but I did want to give you guys a quick teaser as to what was accomplished when I took the K30 Blazer out to stretch its legs and test out the new suspension. Before we get into that, I do want to put a quick plug in for my Amazon store. You'll find the link down below. Tools, parts, accessories, all the stuff that I used in my truck, I got through Amazon, or a lion's share of it, and I just link it down below. It's stuff that worked for me, and it's stuff that I think you guys would find will work well for you. In anticipation of this monumental event, I'm doing a product giveaway. I want to give back to you guys, and yeah, I'll reveal the details at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Merricks Garage. Double H has been kind enough to send me some of their awesome cowboy boots. This is my second pair of Double H. I actually destroyed the first ones over the course of about 5 years. But they have stepped up and are sponsoring the channel and want to get a pair into you guys. So next week I'm going to be giving away a pair of Double H boots. Go check out their website, go check out Instagram, give them a like, give them a follow. And next week I'll have the details on how you guys can snag your own pair. So I hope you found this video fun. Next week's gonna be awesome. Merricks Garage, click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, throw me a comment, and I'll catch you next week.